The suspect and all three deputies suffered minor injuries. Whitmore wouldn't comment on the video, but says the sheriff's department would like a copy for investigators. Even before the department knew about the video, they launched an internal criminal investigation and have suspended with pay one of the deputies, a 24-year veteran.
What is being looked at is the investigation. Is there anything criminal? Is there an assault with a deadly weapon, which could be your feet? Is there an assault? Things like that.
Now, the suspect, Alexis Torres, is behind bars tonight on a charge of sexual battery and having a fake ID. He's got a